about your personal life. Unless you brought your phone with you.
Tiffany, where are you? We're talking about why you're not married yet.
Visit T5discount.com to get $7 off any oil change. Take 5. The stay in your car 10-minute oil change.
When it comes to buying your next ride, everybody wants to save big. Well, my friends, it is time to get to Arlington Toyota for their 50% off pre-owned.
Imagine Dragons on X106.5.
Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box, fit the mold, have a seat in the foyer. Take a number. I was lightning before the thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder. Thunder. Kids were laughing in my classes while I was scheming for the masses. Who do you think you are? Dreaming about being a big star. They say you're basic, they say you're easy. You're always riding in the backseat. Now I'm smiling from the stage while you were clapping in the nosebleeds. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder.
Take every single piece of the blame if you want me to.
Radio Jingle Ball, presented by Capital One. And this year, we're bringing the best holiday show on Earth to your living room. Join us for an incredible night, starring Billie Eilish, Doja Cat, Dua Lipa, Harry Styles, Louis Capaldi, Sam Smith, Shawn Mendes, and Just Added. The Weekend. The legendary, unforgettable moments you've been waiting for are almost here. Our iHeartRadio Jingle Ball 2020, presented by Capital One, hosted by Ryan Seacrest and Elvis Duran. Thursday, December 10th at 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific. Watch on the CW app and CWTV.com and hear it live right here.
Our iHeartRadio Jingle Ball, December 10th. Hear it on 97.9 KISS FM or watch it on